It's Friday, August 28th, starting on this new trailing arm I got, new used trailing arm. The other one I think I showed earlier in a video, somebody had really made a mess out of the stripped out studs by pounding bolts in and so on. I think I could recover it, but for 75 bucks I thought I'd try this one and see how it looks. So first thing I'm going to do is take these stupid screws out, which are probably stuck in there, but using the impact driver, which I really like for these situations, because it not only does it turn, of course, but when you hit it, you're pushing it in, so it's not as likely to strip the head out. But that's the next project. The screws came out nicely, which I probably will now throw away since I usually don't put those back in. All they do is get stuck, and once you put the wheel on, you don't really need them anyway. So alright, now for the drum. Well, this drum is not giving up without a fight. I was able to move it a little bit, but the brake pads are stuck. And so I finally got smart, and I think I got smart. I freed up the mounting of the wheel cylinder and of the adjuster back here that I guess you can't probably see. But so I'll let the whole drum and pads come off. The only thing holding it now are these two little studs that go through the brake shoe. I'm going to drill this top off of this one. The other one I can't get at, it's behind the casting, but maybe with one off, it'll be enough I can get this drum off. This is definitely being a little snot. I got that pin out, and I can move the drum out. I have access, which you probably can't see there, but I have access to the pad now, and I've been driving on this with the hammer, and it's just bending the metal of the shoe back, and it's not, I thought for sure it would. Not happy about this, but I had to cut that. I just can't pound the brake shoes loose. So anyway, now I'm hoping I can fit this back of the wheel cylinder through and finally get this apart. Okay, I finally got this apart. Had to, so you can see that, yeah, there's a hole I had to drill in the drum to punch on the shoe to get it to break loose. Even though I had everything else falling out, it wouldn't clear the adjuster there, or the the wheel cylinder or the adjuster around this axle to let it fall off with the pads installed as I had hoped. But one good punch there and it broke loose. You can see back here how I mangled this. No, where was the pad? Mangled this trying to break it loose with the screwdriver from the other side, and it just wouldn't go. But once I got it punched on here, it went quickly. So now I'm going to see if I can get these nuts off without damaging the studs in the aluminum. Yeah, all the nuts came off on the hub here, and it looks like it's all original studs and in good condition, so that's good news. This shock mount's a little hammered out though. I'm not sure if I like that or not. To think about what I could do to fix that. And I got this loose now, so I can almost pull the axle out. Got to work it back and forth a few more times.